Okay, IELTS speaking part 1. Let's make a start. Topic is laugh. So, do you like to watch comedy programs?
Yes, I prefer to watch comedy shows, movies, and talk shows as well. Because after fed up of my hectic routine, so I want some pace to run from this kind of activities. So yes, I like to watch movies or talk shows.
Okay, you have to practice all these topics so that you become fluent. At the moment you're saying like that. Okay, let's go on. Are you a funny person?
No, I'm not a funny person, but I am a talkative and want to sit quietly. Prefer to sit quietly, but I'm not a funny person.
Yeah, funny instead of funny, you can use the word hilarious.
Sense of humor.
Yeah, I've got a good sense of humor.
I'm not having a
good sense of
good
humor.
sense of humor. So that is
Okay, do your friends often cut jokes?
yes, most of my friends is like just whenever we have just get together.
See, now you're making grammatical mistakes. Most of my friends is just like a kind
feel
of, it's not proper sentence. So try to make proper sentence. For example, do most of your friends cut jokes? Yes, my friends are quite hilarious, and whenever we have any get together, they often cut jokes. Sometimes they pass sarcastic remarks on me and then they laugh out loudly. So my friends, they always try to tell me the jokes and we enjoy a lot.
Okay.
Something like that. Okay, now let's go on. One last thing, do you like Mr. Bean?
Yes, I like Mr. Bean, but not in movies, in cartoons. So I really fond of watching.
I am really fond of.
I'm really fond of to watch all the episodes of Mr. Bean cartoon. So yes, I love to watch Mr. Bean.
Okay,
cartoons.
how does Mr. Bean smile?
Without sound.
Okay, all right, thank you so much. All good, but try to focus your grammar and hesitation,
Okay,
and fluency is the issue.
Okay, I will.
Let's go on. The topic is spending time by yourself. Do you usually spend time alone?
Yes, I prefer to spend time alone because it's very rare that I find any spare time for me, because I have very hectic routine with my children, and whenever I find alone time, I enjoy it.
Okay, what do you usually do when you are alone?
Usually when I am alone, I am enjoying my mobile.
Okay, I enjoy surfing net on my mobile, or I enjoy with my mobile.
Yes, I am using different apps like
I
Facebook.
try to
Sorry.
use present simple tense. I use.
Okay. I use different apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and I have so many friends. And in my spare time, I talk with them.
Good. Do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with your friends or family?
I think I preferred I spend this time with my friends.
I prefer to spend this time with my friends.
I prefer to spend this time with my friend because friends are precious gift from
Precious.
Allah. Precious gift from Allah. So we can talk on different topics. Alone, I have just used mobile, and
I can only use mobile.
use mobile, and with friends I have different topics, laugh, and different chats.
Yeah, I can chat on different topics and like that. Okay, overall it's good. Both of you should be familiar with the topics and try to practice, like read a question and answer. For example, do you usually spend time by yourself? Yes, why not? I try to change your voice. When you ask a question, different voice, and when you answer, different voice, and practice. And when you answer, look at the front, and when you read the question, just read from the book and like that. Okay? All right, thank you.
Thank you.